A machine that fills quart milk cartons, to an average of 32.2 ounces per carton, with a standard deviation of 1.2 ounces. What is the probability that a filled carton will contain less than 32 ounces of milk? So they have advertised that these containers have 32 ounces, and they overfill it slightly, just to make sure that everyone gets at least that 32 ounces. So this would be 32 here. If you're one standard deviation below the mean, you're going to be at, I don't know, 30.8 ounces, I guess. Wait, no. That's not. This is 32.2 is the mean. And one standard deviation below the mean would be 31 ounces. All right. So what's the probability that they have less than 32 ounces of milk? So 32 ounces of milk is going to be actually fairly close here. It is below the mean, but not that much below the mean. The probability they have less than 32 ounces of milk means the probability that we're over here. So we have a cutoff. We're looking for an area. We're looking for probability, which means I want to use normal CDF. My lower bound is negative infinity, because this goes off forever in that direction. My upper bound is 32, because that's my upper bound. I want to figure out what's the probability that they get less than 32 ounces of milk. My mean is 32.2, and my standard deviation is 1.2. I actually expect this to be fairly close to 50%, maybe like 40% or 45%, just because that's so close to the mean. If it was exactly equal to the mean, it would be exactly 50%. All right, so we'll do normal CDF. Negative 10 to the 99th is our lower bound. 32 as the upper bound. 32.2 as the mean. 1.2 as our standard deviation. We get 43.4338. Like I said, I was expecting between 40 and 50%. It's pretty close. Pretty close estimation to what I was thinking there, so I'm pretty happy with those results.